Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. Today I'm going to be doing some driveway maintenance. We just got a little rain shower that's pretty warm, so it's soaking it up pretty quick, but now's a good time to do work on the driveway because the blade will cut better and things will pack back in tighter. You can see right through here from a big rainstorm we had that the water washed across the driveway, made a little bit of a ditch, and it's a mess. There hasn't been any maintenance done on the driveway in a while. Probably since sometime back in the winter, probably since sometime before winter. So all the gravel from the freezing and thawing of wintertime have sank down into the ground. So I'm going to take the blade back over, try to pull things back up, make things look a little bit better. Then you can just kind of see marks where water washed down the driveway from a big rainstorm also.
So I'm ready to start on things now. I have my top link set so the blade is setting level front to rear. I have the blade angled so that when I pull the material, it's going to roll off to the right side of the tractor, which is going to be the left side of your screen. And I'm currently in medium range. If you're doing this type of work with a smaller compact, you may need to drop down into low range. First passes, you want to go slow. Currently only running 1.4 miles an hour. I'm not dropping the 3-point ditch worm down, I'm just dropping it down so that the blade touches and then just a hair more.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. You make
to take shape, I want to stop and turn the blade around and use it backwards to finish things off. And as I get things closer to where I want to be, I'll be able to go faster and faster with the tractor. This is a fairly level spot. I was checking to make sure my side link's adjusted properly. See, it's pretty close. I'm going to run the top link a little short, and we really don't want to cut. We just want to knock down the loose high spots. See how this is smoothing things out? Tractor up the driveway fast because if it's smooth in the tractor, which does not have a suspension, it's going to be smooth in a car.
Alright, so here's the finished product now. This was all done with the tractor with the rear scraper blade. I just wanted to use that to show how to use a simple implement that everybody has, because I understand that everybody doesn't have a box blade or a land plane. There's no gravel brought in on the driveway. I still need to get a broom and sweep this off yet. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.